Trading Journal from $900 to $3,200, Episode 2. Hello everyone. By looking at the trading history, you can see that after withdrawing $3,000, I made 6 trades, and luckily none of them were red, and these 6 trades are continuously linked to Episode 1. It's still the same Exness account number 6390. Is that enough to make you trust me more? If someone doesn't dare to show continuous trade history across recording days, that's clearly edited footage, basically scamming people. Enough talking, let's get to the main point. How did I trade to get 6 winning trades like that? Let's watch the detailed guide of my live trading right now. Today, I'm still using the indicator that more than 300 people are already using and interested in. And of course, those 300 plus users are receiving full cashback commissions under the highest rebate program of Exness. I'm currently on the M1 timeframe, and you can see a previous buy signal. Since we were still sleeping at that time, let's skip that buy and wait for a new signal. Who stays awake just to catch signals, right? There is a sell signal, and according to the full tutorial of the indicator, we skip the pink-purple signal, right? But in this video, we will trade more safely, with stop loss and take profit, and we will trade based on the signals and the following candlestick pattern. Please look carefully and pay close attention. When a signal appears on the chart, you don't need to care about its color, only whether it is a buy or sell signal. Then just wait for 3 more candles and check whether their colors match the candlestick pattern. Don't care about the candle shapes, only the colors. Green or red. After waiting for the next 3 candles, this sell signal does not meet the conditions, so we skip it. There is another sell signal, but it also does not meet the conditions. This sell signal meets the candlestick conditions, so I enter a sell trade with a stop loss of about 40 pips and a take profit of 80 pips. For this dark blue sell signal, you still follow the full instructions. I enter another sell trade with a stop loss of about 40 pips and a take profit of 80 pips. This sell signal still meets the candlestick conditions, right? I enter one more sell trade with a stop loss of about 40 pips and, of course, a take profit of 80 pips. By the way, if you trade gold, choose the one from Oanda or 8cap. They give the best chart results for my indicator, with more accurate signals and a higher win rate. And so you don't miss my useful tutorial videos. Go to my TikTok page, tap the bell and select all the options labeled all. That also helps my videos reach more people and get on the trending page. Thank you all. This buy signal still meets the candlestick conditions, right? I immediately enter a buy trade with a stop loss of about 40 pips and a take profit of 80 pips. Have you noticed that this trade history moves every time a candle closes and a new one appears? Why is there a recently popular trader who doesn't dare to show the trade history like this, hides it, and only shows it at the end of the video? Because showing it means having to edit and splice the video like crazy. Look closely, it keeps moving little by little all the time. Because it was stitched from 2 different account IDs, that trader chose not to show it to stay safe and avoid editing. If you don't believe me, comment and ask that trader to show the trade history while the chart is running like this. Try it. You'll be blocked immediately. One person messaged me, so that's how I found out. I won't say which trader it is. Smart people will figure it out. I consider that trading method to be quite risky. Trading like that will eventually blow the account, so I'm just warning you to avoid getting burned. If you can still learn something from them, that's fine. Feel free to ignore my advice. And for this next buy signal, which still meets the candlestick conditions, I enter a buy trade with a 40 pip stop loss and an 80 pip take profit. Near midnight, there was a valid buy signal, so since there was already a stop loss and take profit, I entered the trade and left the computer on to go to sleep. It would either hit stop loss or take profit. Nothing to be afraid of, right? After all, we already won 5 trades, and the stop loss is still 40 pips, and the take profit remains 80 pips. When I woke up, I saw that the take profit had been hit. So I've shown you how to trade and get 6 winning trades. Now let's review today's trading history. Wherever the chart moves, the trade history moves as well. All 6 trades are moving properly like this. Not like that other trader, right? At the end of the video, their trade history stays frozen, because if it moves, it would expose them. I even open the H1 time frame and scroll back to May 7th, which was my previous trading day on this account. See, the trade history on the 7th still shows the same 6 trades. Or you could simply use another phone to record like this, and people would trust you right away. It's not that hard, right? So let's make profits together in this market.